Hi YouTube, my name is Matt. I'm going to be doing some videos on Java programming, some how-to videos. I'm not an expert, I'm still learning as well, but I thought that by doing this I can kind of share my knowledge and make sure I stay fresh as well. On this video, it's going to be a basic video, just kind of getting the tools started and then doing the Hello World program that most people start off with. So first thing we're going to need is Eclipse. So we're just going to go to eclipse.org. Under downloads, we can get that. Then we've got the options here. So you're going to want to get this. I'm using a Mac, so it says it's in Mac OS X. But you see here the other download links. So download that. Other thing we're going to need is the Java JDK. So this is going to be a lot of tools that we use once we're inside Java, inside Eclipse programming in Java. So we'll just scroll down here. I'm using 6 with update 32. You can use 7. There's a bit more bugs from what I've been told, but regardless, for what we're doing, we're not going to worry too much about it. So either get Java up version 6 or version 7. So once we've downloaded those, install everything. I'm not going to do that. I've already installed mine. It should be pretty self-explanatory once you have everything downloaded and installed. So once we've got that all done, we can go to Eclipse. So this is what Eclipse looks like. If we want to start a new project, which we do, so we can do our Hello World program, just want to right-click, New, Project. We're going to do a Java project. So let's name the project. Let's call it Hello World. You know what? I've already got one named Hello World, so let's do something different. File tutorial 1. So there we go. Tutorial 1's all made. Now what we need to make next is something called a class. So we're just going to right-click, New, Class, and we'll name this one. Let's name this one Hello World. Create it there. Now a class is where we're going to write all of our information basically. So each class essentially does a task. Later on we'll use multiple classes because we'll be doing multiple tasks. But for now we're just going to use one class because it's much simpler. So once we've got that class all made, we're going to need something called a method main. Method main is essentially what executes immediately when we're doing our Java programs. So it's something we're always going to use. You don't need to do too much about it at this point, just kind of know that we need it. I'm going to type public static void main bracket string args. Oops. So we're going to do a curly bracket at the end. It'll automatically make another curly bracket. So a good rule that we should be following, every time we do an open curly bracket, we're going to need one corresponding with that closing the statement. So see, we have 2 open at the top, and then we have 2 open at the top here, and then we have 2 closing. This basically says, okay, we have a class. The class is Hello World. And this says we have a method within this class. Oh, battery's dying. We have a method within this class. So a method is going to do the action within the class. So, like we said, we just want to make the computer here say Hello World. So to do that, we need a print statement. So we'll type system.out.print. I'm going to do some regular brackets, do a quote, Hello World, close the quote, closing bracket, and then we're going to need a semicolon to finish that, so that we know that we're ending the statement. So once we run it, just going to bring this up more. Once we run this this little program we've made, it'll show in the console here. So there we go, Hello World. You can edit that. I put Hell World. My bad. Say Hello World. There we go, Hello World. So Again, just kind of a basic thing to kind of get us started here. We'll be doing, well, hopefully be doing a lot more tutorials in the near future. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.